Hi everyone, today we are at Mombasa Road in a company called Containers Kenya. This is a company that deals with converting containers to homes, offices and stalls. So today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom container home, a 1-bedroom container home and a studio home. Also, I'll show you one of the containers converted to shops and stalls. And also, I'll show you a container like this one that has been converted to a bar. The print area of the 2-bedroom home is 320 square feet. The print area of the 1-bedroom home is also 320 square feet. And the print area of the studio home is 160 square feet. The price of the 2-bedroom home starts from 1.3 million. The price of the 1-bedroom home starts from 1.2 million. And the price of the studio starts from 700,000. This is the 2-bedroom home and it can be accessed through 2 doors. This door in the 1st bedroom and there is the main door on the other side. Let me open for you. Hi there, welcome inside. As you can see, the 2-bedroom home comes with a fairly big living room, and next to me here you have the washroom. Next to that you have the 1st bedroom, and on my right hand side you have the open kitchen and the primary bedroom. The open kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinet, and as you can see the space is sufficient. Next to me here, you have the sink area, and it comes with 1 sink because the space is not that big. Below it, you have several drawers that can be usable for your crockery and cutlery. And next to me here, you have extra storage. Below here, you have an area for your cooking stove, and next to me here, you have an area for your refrigerator. Next to me, you have the washroom of this unit, and it's a shared toilet. The washroom comes with a water closet on this side, a small sink on this other side, and this is your bathing space. And as you can see, you have a shower head above me. Let me show you the 1st bedroom. The 1st bedroom is here. Just come inside. This is the 1st bedroom, and it can be used for your kids or for your guests. The bedroom comes with a closet here, and you have this window here and a small window above for maximum natural light. The bedroom comes with a floor to ceiling closet, and the space is sufficient for your guests or your kids. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is on the extreme end of this container home. Just come. This is the primary bedroom, and it's slightly bigger than the 1st bedroom. The other difference is that this bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet and only 1 window. The closet is also floor to ceiling, and as you can see, it comes with slightly bigger compartments. That's all for this unit, and from here I'll take you to the 1-bedroom unit. The 1-bedroom unit is way more spacious than the 2-bedroom. This is the center of this unit, and on my right hand side you have the living area of the unit. Next to me you have the bathroom of this unit, and the bedroom is on the extreme end. The living area extends from here up to here, and next to me you have the kitchenette, and as you can see it comes with upper and lower cabinets, and you have the sink area here. The sink just got fitted and it's below these boxes. Next to me here you have an area that is set aside for your cooking stove, and here is the space for your refrigerator. On my right hand side, this unit comes with intercom connected and DSTV too, so this is where you do your TV area. The unit comes with an AC, and this AC is controlled by a phone-like remote. One thing to note about this unit is that it comes with the 4 windows. That's too much for a very small unit. You have these windows here for the kitchen, and you have these other 3 windows for the living room. From here, I'll take you to the washroom. This is the washroom. It comes with a sink here. The showering area is here, and the bathroom comes with all the other showering amenities. This bedroom is bigger than the 2 bedrooms that we found in the other unit. The bedroom comes with 2 windows, here and here, and its closet is here. I like the choice of the bolts that were used to make this closet. As you can see, the closet comes with 2 drawers down there, a space here for your suits, and an extra storage up there. This section can be used for other purposes. From here, I'll take you to the studio unit. The studio unit is made from a 20-foot container, and it contains a combined living room area, bedroom area there, and the kitchenette on this other side. This studio gets its light from this window here and a transparent door. The closet is here, and the closet is only adequate for a single person. From here, I'll show you the kitchenette and the bathroom. This unit is 80% done, so the kitchenette, some electrical fittings, and the bathroom are not yet done. From here, I'll show you one of the shops where I'll discuss with one of the team members how they convert the containers to all the variety of homes they have. This is a 20-foot container that has been converted to either a mini shop, a mini hotel, or a liquor store. From here, I'll invite one of the team members and we'll discuss a few things. So, I'll invite Bella and she'll tell us more about the company. Come in, Bella.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
How are you doing?
Okay.
Tell us about Containers Kenya.
Okay. We're the largest shipping containers company in Kenya.
Okay.
That means we supply the whole of East and Central Africa.
Okay.
We deal with shipping containers. Ideally, we sell the containers as they are,
okay,
or modify them to the client specification. By the client specification, I mean we can do an office, business stalls, store, kitchen, hotels, and all that. We also hire these containers, especially the plain containers.
Okay.
And also we also have other items like refrigerated containers, the containers that are used to carry perishable goods. We can sell them, or you can hire if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, that's nice. Today I have showed everyone about the homes that you make. Please tell us more about the modifications that you do.
Okay, I'll start with the 40 foot.
Okay.
The 40 foot, when you fabricate it into a house,
okay,
it can get you a 1 bedroom or
okay,
a 2 bedroom.
Okay.
For you to get a 3 bedroom house, you have to join more than 2 containers.
Okay.
And then the 20 foot can get you a bed sitter.
Okay.
When it comes to business stalls, the 40 foot can get you 5 shops, 6 or 4 shops.
Okay.
And then the 20 foot, it can get you 3 shops or 4 shops.
Okay.
Or even 2, depending on the size you want to achieve.
Ah.
Yeah.
So assuming that someone wants to know the prices of the shops that you do convert, what is your range?
Okay, for the 40 foot, in terms of the pricing, it ranges from 760,000 to 790,000. It can go, that price is inclusive of the container and all the modification works. The cost of transportation within Nairobi, we do charge 25,000 for the 40 foot and 15,000 for the 20 foot, that is within Nairobi. But out of Nairobi, we charge for accessibility and the distance. Yeah, and in terms of ground preparation, when you're making these containers, what you need to ensure is you need to make sure the ground is leveled. After making the ground leveled, you do, for the 20 foot you do 4 pillars, and then for the 40 foot you do 6 pillars. You can either do the concrete pillars or do a concrete slab. Okay. Yeah.
I understood that you guys, when you do sell a container to someone, you give them a logbook instead of a deed, a title deed or something.
Yes, the shipping containers do come with a logbook.
Okay.
In the container language, you call it the container outward interchange.
Okay.
Yes, so that container logbook comes with our company's name.
Okay.
But when the client buys the container, we give him that logbook that has our name. But what proves that that container is his or hers, we write a written sale agreement alongside a receipt and an invoice.
What if the customer wants to sell it to someone else?
The only thing that the client needs to show to the other person is they need to write another sale agreement alongside to what alongside the one that he has already. Okay. Yes, so he might be selling, if a container, for example, is 760, the one for modification, and he could be selling it at a lower price than the 760. What he just needs to show the other client is this container, he bought it from Containers World Kenya, and I want to resell it. You see that already shows ownership. So it gives someone confidence in the sense that that container wasn't stolen and it's a rightful container. Another thing also, you can also go to the shipping container website and check whether that container is genuine or not. Yeah, it's like the way in TSA. So we also have a website whereby you can go and log in the container number and it will show you where that container was sold to. Yeah, so in the shipping, on that website, it will show that it was sold to Container World Kenya. So that you can always ask the shipping line all the questions that you need. But when you go to that website, it will show you that it was sold to Containers Kenya. Yeah, and then for these containers, we have the food grade containers. Yeah, for the food grade containers are those containers that have been used to carry mostly perishable goods. Yeah, those are good containers which can be modified into a house or anything you want. But for these other ones that are being used to carry toxic materials, you see, it can be harmful to someone. So when you are purchasing these containers, you need to know what exactly that container was used for. Yeah.
So assuming I have my container, can you guys convert it for me?
Yeah, we can convert it for you, but you need to show us the ownership document, because us guys are the sellers in Kenya. We know the rightful documents that are needed, and we can know if a container is genuine or not. So if you prove to us that that container is genuine, we'll fabricate it for you, because some steal containers and they modify it very fast so that the other party, when he comes, you cannot see anything. But also the container has a plate, it has a chassis number. So if you remove that chassis number, you see it already shows a lot of question marks. Thank
you very much. So I came here in the morning, and I think I've spent more than 6 hours in this company. And one thing that I've learned is that these containers are very cool. The environment is friendly. So I understand, like in Nairobi, you don't need an AC. So what do you do to them? How do you convert them?
Okay. What we do to the containers when they're being modified into offices or homes, we insulate the container. By insulation, I mean you use a material called styrofoam and gypsum. You say styrofoam? Styrofoam and gypsum. In the sense that in between the container and the gypsum, we put a material called styrofoam. That styrofoam is a heat and cold regulator.
So that's why?
And in areas like Mombasa, Kisumu, those areas that are quite hot, you might need an AC. Because
I think I reviewed another container there, the 1-bedroom unit, where there was an AC there.
Yeah, that one is going to Kisumu, so you understand the temperatures in Kisumu are quite hot.
Far from it, there are people who like making motorhomes. Maybe you want to travel with your family in such a big container. Do you do a container that can be off-grid? Like you don't need to connect it to Kenya Power, you can use solar or maybe water storage.
Actually, when it comes to electrical connection, it's the client to give us the specification. In the sense that you see some are going to use solar, some are going to use the normal Kenya Power electricity. So if your area, if you can use solar, then we can do that in your container. So that means you need to tell us when the first phase is, in the sense that when you are doing the electrical work, we do it in a way that you are able to incorporate solar and Kenya Power or solar only.
So I can buy these ones and put them somewhere off-grid for maybe my Airbnbs or stuff?
Yes, you can do that.
That's very interesting. So you guys, if you are there and you want to do something special, you know who to talk to. That's the end of the interview, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you too.